course is really good if you want to step up your photography game and really get tools how to come up with ideas, and also understanding your own process better. Then this course is, I think, really, really good for that.
I got the tools that help me to tell a story, a real story, that with a structure in it. It's not just like today I'm gonna do it in that way and tomorrow I'm gonna do it in another way, but today it works, but tomorrow not. So this structure helped me to build those stories.
In this course, I come to know myself better as an artist, and I noticed that I really have like stories inside me that I want to tell, and if I know what story I want to tell and it's visible for me, then it will be more visible for the one who's looking at the picture. The group is really for anyone. You can be a complete beginner, you can be a veteran, you can be in between.
It's allowed me to kind of stretch the type of photos that I typically take.
To get rid of this idea of just taking one image and then thinking, oh, what do I wanted to tell about with this image?
I needed structure. I was overwhelmed by all the great images of other photographers on the internet, with social media, and I wanted to collect inspiration, but at the end I was just stuck. I didn't know what to do with it, and now I have the structure to start a project of a series.
And now I feel like like I told you, I think I have like 3 series that I want to do now. Like 3 complete series that I've sketched out, that I've thought about. Now I have, I feel like I have my feet on the ground.
I think one of the biggest things for me, the takeaway I took from the course, was different tools in how I go about doing my own photos. And it was so interesting to see Dasha really revealing her secrets and all these ways how she composes a photo and teaching that. And it just made me, assess and see how I can develop my own photos and the process, and how to get ideas and just have more depth and kind of interesting ideas and new things, how to combine things that I've never thought about before.
Sometimes when we are an artist, it's so difficult, and when we are self-taught, it's even more difficult because you don't have structures. You just learn from what you're doing. So sometimes you just do the things for the intuition. It's just that. And when you have a structure, it's easy, like do the things always right. So that's the thing.